Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take full page screenshot with a Samsung Galaxy A34. And to do this you will need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, let's go for our settings. Now make sure you're on top of a page and click on a shortcut function, which is the power key and volume down key at the same time. That way you'll capture the screenshot. Click on the scroll down button to begin scrolling down page. You can do it until you reach a bottom or until you're satisfied with the amount of the screenshot. Now we are at the bottom. We can click on the screenshot view, open it with gallery, and that's a full page screenshot right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.